Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best self-cleaning coffee makers, you've landed in the perfect spot. We've done the research to bring you the best self-cleaning coffee maker options for this year, considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Stick around to discover which self-cleaning coffee makers is the best fit for you. You can find all the product links with the best deals in the description box below. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Terra Kaffe TK02, Best Overall Self-Cleaning Coffee Maker. Featuring clean lines and an elegant, straightforward design, the Terra Kaffe TK02 is an understated beauty. What's more, it's incredibly easy to clean and maintain. During my hands-on testing, I was particularly impressed by the Terra Kaffe's modern and intuitive touchscreen interface. What's more, the app actually works like a charm, making it easy to control the machine from your phone. With all that in mind, it's easy to see why the TK02 takes the top spot in my guide to the best self-cleaning coffee makers. This is one of the few non-Jura machines with a fixed brew unit. Still, the manufacturer includes special cleaning tablets for the brew group. Plus, the machine notifies you when it's time to run a descaling cycle and walks you through the entire process. Elsewhere, the TK02 does a fabulous job of keeping you up to date on what needs to be cleaned. It offers prompts for milk system rinsing after each use and regularly flushes and rinses the coffee circuit. Overall, this sleek, modern, fully automatic machine is about as close as you can get to a real self-cleaning coffee maker right now. And for $1,995, it offers very good value for money. Number 2. Philips 2300 series. Best self-cleaning coffee maker. The folks responsible for designing Philips espresso machines have been thinking about how we can clean the milk system in the easiest way possible. With the Latte Go frothing system, they have found an answer that is as simple as it is ingenious. There are no pipes or valves here, just 3 simple parts that you can take apart and reassemble in a flash. Then you simply rinse everything by hand and put it back together. While earlier Latte Go machines were easy to clean, they left a lot to be desired when it came to milk foam, espresso, and noise levels. The Philips 2300 Latte Go, on the other hand, is an absolute banger. It's not only one of the quietest fully automatic coffee machines out there, it's currently one of my favorite machines overall. Because for a downright ridiculous price of $699.99, you get exceptional cup results, a super intuitive user interface, and an automatic milk system that delivers the goods and is very easy to clean. If you want the same basic principle with a few more beverage options, I'm almost as enthusiastic about the Philips 3300 Latte Go. Number 3. SMEG Fully Automatic Coffee Machine. Best Self-Cleaning Coffee Maker. I've reviewed a few fully automatic espresso machines without milk frothers, and I'm always on the fence about whether they're worth buying. I guess I worry that you'll have buyer's remorse when you realize you can't make cappuccinos for your friends. Still, one huge bonus is that you'll never have to worry about disassembling a milk system and cleaning it. As it happens, the SMEG fully automatic coffee machine makes really good coffee and is very easy to use. Still, not everyone will consider spending $649.95 on a machine with such limited functionality. If you do buy the SMEG fully automatic coffee machine, it'll look great in your kitchen. And while you'll have to clean the brew group by hand, the machine does perform its fair share of automatic rinsing cycles. Number 4. Jura S8, Best Self-Cleaning Coffee Maker. It really doesn't matter which Jura fully automatic coffee machine I include on this list. After all, every one of the Swiss manufacturer's machines has a permanently installed brew unit that's rinsed automatically. From our long-term mold test, we know that this machine works exceptionally well, as long as you follow all the instructions for using cleaning agents, descalers, etc. Costing $3,299, the Jura S8 is nothing out of the ordinary, but it was recently treated to a significant update. During my testing, this premium machine impressed me with its wide range of features, signature Jura beverage quality, and a wonderful touchscreen user interface. With all that said, these findings also apply to other Jura machines. To be honest, you really can't go wrong with this brand, as long as you can afford it, that is. Number 5. DeLonghi Rivelia, Best Self-Cleaning Coffee Maker. People often overlook the bean hopper during cleaning, yet this is where a significant amount of coffee oils and dust accumulate. At $1,499.95, the DeLonghi Rivelia doesn't just solve this problem, it takes things a step further. With a removable bean hopper and an included spare hopper, it makes it easy for us to switch between different roasts and to wipe the hopper down and clean it in between uses. Visually, the machine's design may not appeal to everyone, but under the hood lies a lot of modern, fully automatic technology that assists in preparing delicious beverages. There are also a wide range of settings, and the machine impressed me with its straightforward operation. Then again, I wouldn't expect anything less from a DeLonghi espresso machine. There is only one drawback to the interchangeable bean hopper idea. The beans always fall into the same grinder chamber, so there will still be coffee from the previous hopper in there once you've switched. Those who frequently switch between caffeinated and decaffeinated coffee might want to consider a fully automatic coffee machine with 2 grinders. Those who simply enjoy experimenting with beans will be more than satisfied with the Rivelia at this great price. Number 6. KitchenAid KF7, Best Self-Cleaning Coffee Maker. I recently had the pleasure of testing out the KitchenAid KF7 fully automatic espresso machine, which is a relative newcomer. And let me tell you, these guys have obviously done their research when it comes to designing a machine that people will enjoy using. Seriously, I had a blast playing with the KF7 and managed to brew up some of the best espresso I've tasted in quite some time. Thanks to its intuitive touchscreen interface, navigating the KitchenAid's many adjustable drink settings is a breeze. What's more, the machine's automatic milk system works like a charm. Oh, and it performs a self-rinsing cycle after every cappuccino or latte. I especially appreciated the KitchenAid KF7's sturdy metal construction and compact design, as well as thoughtful touches like automatic smart dosing technology and a removable bean hopper. And for $1,699.95, the KitchenAid KF7 represents really great value for money. In my opinion, this fully automatic espresso machine should have more established manufacturers feeling a little concerned. It really is that good. Number 7. Bosch 800 Series VeroCafe, Best Self-Cleaning Coffee Maker. I have to say I'm very impressed by the new line of Bosch fully automatic espresso machines. In fact, I'd say manufacturers like Jura and DeLonghi are getting a little nervous at the prospect of such strong competition. There can be little doubt that the flagship Bosch 800 Series VeroCafe is the real deal. Seriously, just take a look at that gorgeous color touchscreen interface. The Bosch 800 Series VeroCafe isn't a case of style over substance, though. Rather, this is a well-conceived machine with tons of thoughtful and exciting features. In saying that, I'm referring to stuff like the ceramic grinder, intuitive cleaning programs, and Aroma Max system. That latter feature involves the machine precisely calibrating grind size, flow rate, and brew temperature. Costing $2,199, the Bosch 800 Series VeroCafe is far from cheap. However, you'll definitely get what you pay for. Plus, the sophisticated app and 36 specialty drinks will keep you occupied for a long time. Number 8. DeLonghi Magnifica Plus, Best Self-Cleaning Coffee Maker. If you want evidence of how DeLonghi has upped its game over the past couple of years, check out the awesome DeLonghi Magnifica Plus. Released in late 2024, this superb, fully automatic espresso machine has just about everything you'll ever want. For starters, the Magnifica Plus is relatively compact and sports a modern, streamlined design. Then again, the perfect blend of form and function is to be expected from an Italian manufacturer. During my hands-on testing, I was particularly impressed by the machine's user interface. Featuring a 3.5-inch, 9-centimeter color TFT display surrounded by pretty icons, the interface is very intuitive and uncluttered. Heck, there's even friendly messaging to make your coffee experience as pleasant as possible. As with most DeLonghi fully automatics, there's a stainless steel conical burr grinder with 13 adjustment settings. Plus, you get a drink menu with 18 specialties and 4 user profiles. I should also point out that DeLonghi's Latte Crema milk system seems to get better with every new release. I was very pleased with both the quality of the milk foam it produced and the temperature at which it was delivered. Best of all, the DeLonghi Magnifica Plus makes absolutely fantastic espresso. During my testing, the machine highlighted all the notes I love in my coffeeness beans and produced espresso with satisfying richness and body. The DeLonghi Magnifica Plus costs $1,299.95, which is a steal for what you get. Number 9. Jura Z10, Best Self-Cleaning Coffee Maker. Upon its release in 2021, the Jura Z10 instantly redefined what a fully automatic espresso machine could be. As you'd expect from a Jura coffee maker, the Z10 is gorgeous to look at and would seriously elevate the aesthetics of any kitchen. However, this machine is far from just a pretty face. In my Jura Z10 review, I was blown away by the product recognizing grinder, PRG. Not only is this grinder super quiet, it can be set to adapt electronically according to the beverage being prepared. The Z10 is equipped with a host of other features, including pulse extraction process, PEP, and 3D brewing technology. The latter feature allows water to flow evenly on multiple levels for a more even extraction. Aside from making sublime espresso and exquisitely textured milk foam, the Z10 is one of the best cold brew coffee makers around. Thanks to Jura's cold extraction process, espresso can be brewed at lower temperatures, resulting in a creamy and delicious cold brew crossover. Number 10. Miele CM 7750, Best Self-Cleaning Coffee Maker. The Miele CM 7750 kind of took me off guard. After all, for a manufacturer that usually keeps a low profile, this machine seems to represent a change in approach. Aesthetically speaking, the CM 7750 is instantly recognizable as a Miele machine. All the sleek, minimalist design features are present. However, this is a big, bulky beast of a coffee maker that's crying out to be noticed. Once you got past the $4,499 price tag, the CM 7750's most notable feature is its trio of bean hoppers. This gives you tons of flexibility when it comes to experimenting with different coffee beans. There's only one grinder on board, but a cool impeller removes excess grounds from the stainless steel conical burrs. That's important, as it reduces cross-contamination when switching between hoppers. Elsewhere, Miele has seriously upped its game with the CM 7750 fully automatic espresso machine. There's a beautiful touchscreen display, an app for remote operation, and 10 individual user profiles for storing drink settings.